If you are in a small space and you need a battery that packs a punch, this is a good solution. I can't believe that they pack that much horsepower in such a small form factor. In this video today, we have another offering from WattCycle. I'm very excited about this one. This thing is like sandwiched around the battery, so it's very well protected. You have a user manual here. I love the way they package this thing. That is a nice looking battery, very small. Now in this bag, we do have this small bag. This is the 4 M8 screws. So take a look at that. There's the long one on the left and the short one on the right. I think that's pretty cool. So if you're gonna be putting a lot of wires on your battery out of the box, and see what we have here. So we are looking at 13.20 volts. And now we are charging, so I'll let this battery charge until this LED 2 turns green. Our charger has a green LED indicator, which is telling us the charging is complete. We are looking at 13.82 volts, which is, I'm feeling the cables and they are cool to the touch. I'm not feeling anything hot. We have settled somewhere in the neighborhood of 1,050, 1,070 watts, which is fantastic. So as you can see, the battery clearly passes this test with flying colors. And then as I go back down to low heat, you'll see the numbers will continue to drop. Turning the heater off, we zero out on the wattage, and you can see the battery voltage comes back up.